How are high-quality plastic pallets produced? Qingdao Huading specializes in the production and supply of various styles of high-quality plastic pallets. We have over 80 sets of injection molding machines and 18 sets of blow molding machines to guarantee production capacity. Our annual output for plastic pallets is over 3 million pieces. We use high-quality P or PP materials which are non-toxic and tasteless, resistant to acid and alkali, corrosion-resistant, good toughness, high strength, and have a long service life. Injection molding plastic pallets is to melt the plastic material and inject it into the membrane cavity. According to the mold cavity style, it will be shaped into a certain shape by cooling. After the mold is opened, the manipulator takes the pallet out to the operation table. Then it is manually trimmed, debored, and equipped with anti-slip mats. Meanwhile, we have a professional quality check team and detection devices to guarantee product quality. We design products, provide solutions for customers, and produce more and more customized products every year.